Yeah, you heard it right, guys. We are going to create AI phone callers in just 2 seconds. Wait and watch. So let me go to my Jarvis, which is my Telegram bot. So I will say, hey, create Vapi agent for Sitara office in Miapur location. Okay, click enter. Boom! A Vapi agent Sitara restaurant Miapur has been successfully created with specifications we provided. Yeah, if you want any more requirements, you can just mention it here. So let's check our Vapi. So go, there is no agent here. So let's refresh. Uh, Boom, we got it. So let me open this. Boom, it has provided us with an OpenAI 4.0 cluster. First message is this: hey, thank you for caller, and it has created an system prompt for this AI phone caller. All you need to do is talk with the assistant, yeah, and your AI phone caller is ready. And we are going to create this, and I'm gonna teach it to you. So how? So we are going to automate this process inside the N8. So let me open my N8 plus let me Telegram bot. Telegram. So Telegram, it should be trigger, right? On message. Click on message. And yeah, first we need to create Telegram bot. So for that, go to Telegram and go to search and search for bot further. It's an verified Telegram account. So it's really very famous to create bots. So I will go to my bot list. Actually, I need to create a new bot, right? So what I'm gonna do is, first when you open this, you will get this instructions. So to create a new bot, click this new bot. Okay. Alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Uh, Shake demo. Okay, now we need to keep a username. So Kaushik underscore whatever underscore bot. This word bot is very important at the last, otherwise it will not accept it. So we got a code, right? So our Telegram bot is created. So I'm gonna copy this, go back to my N8, create a new credential and paste it over in my access token and save it. Testing. Okay, save. Now, where is our bot actually? So, well, just click this and this is our bot. So let's start it. Cool. Now let's run it, execute the step here, and boom. Well, we already kept the message start, right? So that's why when we have executed the step, it has captured the message. So let's execute the step again. Cool. Now I'm gonna say, uh, yo, now it will capture it. Yeah, captured. As you can see, where is that? Yo, yeah, text, yo. So first module is over. Second, we know gonna create the AI agent here. So go to AI and create on and click on AI agent. Yeah. And here, what we're gonna do is click this. We need to define below manually, which would be best. So user message. So I gonna tell user message would be from the Telegram, right? So you just drag and drop from the Telegram module, which we got for as a text as a variable. Uh, yeah, done. And we need to build a system prompt. So for that, add options, system message, and go to expressions and expand it. So I'm gonna paste my prompt. So this is the prompt I have gave. You are a workflow automation agent. Your job is to create a new Vapi AI assistant using the HTTP module. Based on the following specification, assistant details. Assistant details will be given by the user, but when you will implement system prompt in the JSON in HTTP, make sure it has the role, identity, task, goals, do's and don'ts, error handling, which is very important to create our system prompt. And HTTP request configurations. Use the HTTP module to send a post request to Vapi endpoints that creates a new assistant. Include the assistant's details in the request body in JSON format. And how it should handle it. After sending the request, check the responses from the HTTP module. If the assistant was successfully created, send a message to a Telegram chat saying the Vapi AI voice agent has been successfully created with the specifications you provided. Error handling. If there's an error, send a message to the Telegram chat saying there was an error creating this business name. Please check the configurations and try again. Please create this workflow and ensure it was end to end. So this is the prompt I have created, and I will paste this prompt in the description below so you can copy it exactly. So for this AI agent to work, you need to keep an LLM in the backend. It can be either ChatGPT, Cloud, X, Grok, or Gemini. I'm gonna choose Gemini because they provide free API key. So I'm gonna click on Chat Model Plus. I gonna go for Google Gemini chat model, and yeah, I gonna select this. Sorry, not yeah. I gonna select this. Well, how you need to connect your API account is just click on create new credential and search for Gemini API key. Once you create that, once you search that, click on Gemini Developer API. Um, yeah, explore models in Google AI Studio, and yeah, get API key. Yeah, just click on plus and select anything, doesn't matter at all. Once you click create API key in existing project, you're gonna get a separate key value. You're gonna copy that and go over to N8 and paste it here and click on save. Since I already connected mine, I just gonna select my account. And for the model, well, you need to select 2.0 Flash because all models are not free, few are paid, but Gemini 2.0 Flash is free, so you can use it that. Yeah, okay, we have connected that. And tools, now you need to use HTTP request tool. I think if you have read my prompt inside the AI agent, you must have understood that. So for the description, what I'm gonna keep is use this tool for Vapi endpoints that creates new assistant. This description is very important so the AI agent will understand, okay, in this module I need to create the Vapi assistant. Now you need to integrate Vapi API keys and all the authorizations. So for that, go to Vapi docs. So search for Vapi docs and yeah, docs. And we need to go to API references and search for create an assistant. Create assistant. Just click this. Yeah, we gonna take all this value and keep it inside our HTTP. So this is the link. So copy this and go back to your N8 and your and the method is post because it is mentioned over here and you're seeing a capital letter H, right? H means it calls header. So we need to keep these values over the headers in our HTTP module. So I'll copy this authorization header and yeah, enable this send headers. And for the name, authorization, and for the value, it's barrier token. I'm gonna copy this and paste it over here. So this token is just a variable. We're gonna paste our Vapi API key, which gonna connect with our account. And add another parameter because we have another header, which is content type. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it here in the name. And for the value, it is JSON application. So I'm gonna copy this and yeah, I'm gonna paste this. Cool. And for send body, it's JSON. Yeah, and using JSON. So we need to paste our JSON code here. Well, if you see the documentations, you got a code here, right? So to be honest, I don't know how to integrate this code inside our HTTP. But what I simply did is I just copied the code here and I have pasted over ChatGPT and I gave all the details to the ChatGPT that, oh, hey, I am doing this. I'm going to create an assistant like this inside the N8 and I want you to create a particular JSON which gonna create Vapi and keep the prompts inside my assistant. So I told this instructions to the ChatGPT and boom, it has given the JSON. So the final output JSON that ChatGPT gave me is, which is, well, first you should not use this JSON block if you are really using this AI agent block because AI agent doesn't depend on this. If you are using HTTP separately, then you need to use this JSON block. If you are connecting it with the AI agent and a tool, then you need to select this button, which is let the model define this parameter. So click that and you need to add a description here. So the description I will be adding is, so what I have typed, so I gave some little info, generate the JSON body and change the variable depending on the user needs created for the AI voice agent like this. So this is the code I got and I'm gonna do some editing over here. Well, keep the first message, keep that the AI first dialog should be and system prompt, keep the system prompt here and name, I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna say uh, name of the Vapi agent. Cool. So this is the code that ChatGPT gave to me. Always remember, ChatGPT is your best friend, so use it wisely. That's how I got this JSON. It's very simple. Reading API docs is very simple if you have ChatGPT. Okay, this is created. Now I'm gonna start this workflow, execute workflow, and I'm gonna keep a message once again here. So which will be, well, let me copy paste it. Where is that? Uh, yeah, I'm gonna copy this here. Yeah, and I'm gonna paste it over here. Click enter. Go to N8. It's running. Yeah. Okay, we got an error in HTTP request. Let me see. What's that? And what we got in the output. I'm unable to create the Vapi AI voice agent for. Okay, I forgot. We need to add the API key, right? We literally forgot about it. So, yeah. So open this. So in the place of token, you need to add your Vapi API key. That's how it's AI gonna authorize your accounts. And go to Vapi. And where is API key? Yeah, Vapi API keys. It's always gonna be the private key if you are gonna create any type of assistance. So just copy this, copy the ID, and go back and paste it over here. Boom. Now it's got connected. Now let's try it out. Save, execute the workflow, and let's go to Telegram. I'm gonna paste this once again. Same. Go back to N8. It's working. Now it should gonna work, and it should gonna create it. Okay, we got an error. Now let's see what it is. It's in the journey. Weird. Let me see. Before we did not got any errors in the journey, right? Open it. I'm gonna select a new model, right? Flash experimental. Okay, now save it. Let's run it. Cool, it got word. Now let's see. Could you please provide the specific details for creating Vapi agent? I need information such as uh, okay, it's asking extra information without creating any agent. So what I'm gonna tell to the prompt is you don't you don't need any extra information. You are an independent AI assistant who will predict it on your own. Cool. Now go back, save, and let's run it. Wow, I don't know why I'm getting this problem. Like, these are the kind of errors you're gonna face. So, this is gonna be a great video. So, you will understand how normal users gonna create this kind of agents. So, mm, whatever, I'm gonna select another model. Like, these are free models, right? These models are very big. Like, if you keep ChatGPT API, this is gonna work very great because it's very intelligent. Uh, Let me execute the workflow once again. Uh, this Gemini is hallucinating. Let me test another thing. Let me remove this. Let me try the chat GPT. I have credits in my OpenAI API, so that's not a problem. OpenAI. Yeah, this is perfect. Now let's test it. Hmm. Let's see. Boom, it is working. It is working. We have created our assistant. Like, let's go back and go to our Vapi and yeah, go to assistants. Boom, we have created another sitter office and yeah, this is what it is created. With all the first message and all, you just need to click this talk to assistant and you will talk with the AI regarding this for this business specifically. Yeah, basically AI was hallucinating, but I never expected it would be troubling me in this situation because I have made it work with Gemini before. before hopping into this, before creating this video. It worked perfect for me. I don't know why it happened now, but let's leave it. Gemini is for brokies, those who don't have any kind of money. If you have open, so just pay for OpenAI always. If you are not a brokey, and yeah, and we need to return back the message, right? So Telegram. So Telegram, and what we gonna keep is send a message. So where is that? Send a location, video, edit, send. Yeah, text message. Cool. Chat ID, which gonna be in our Telegram trigger, which is this chat ID. I gonna paste this, and for the text, it should be from the OpenAI. And I gonna say this, okay. And for the adding fields, always click on append anytime attribute and always off this. I will not tell this why I'm doing this. Once you create this N8 A workflow inside your account, you will soon understand it. Just always off this append N8 attribute. And yeah, everything is done. Now I'll execute the step, which should work. Boom, I got a return message. Now what I gonna do is I gonna delete all these messages from my phone. Yeah, from my phone, guys. Uh, Wait, let me first copy this. I don't wanna type. That's really annoying. Yeah, I'm gonna delete. Wow. Telegram deleting is very satisfying, to be honest. So our NA10 workflow is created. I'm gonna click the save, and I'm gonna click on execute workflow. Yeah, so I'm gonna paste this. It is working. Now we will get the message, and it will create the Vapi. Cool. Our Vapi assistant is created. Let's go to Vapi. Once again, refresh it. You will see that. Boom. It's that simple, guys. Very simple. You can create AI phone callers in 2 seconds. Once you have created this workflow inside your N8 and you have scheduled it, like you need to schedule it, like you need to click this inactive to active. Once you have kept this workflow as active, whenever you keep a message, it will automatically trigger. There is no need to always go to any workflow and manually click this execute workflow. You should just activate your workflow here. And yeah, so let's say the reason why I have created this NITM workflow is like when I am outside, when I am in networking events, I talk with many business owners. So they ask for demos for their business. So I can't create at that time, right? Usually, if you create this AI caller manually, it's gonna take like 20 minutes to create just a demo. But with this, you can create within 2 seconds. So you just open your phone, you click, hey, they have this business, they do this, need a Vapi agent for this business, give some details, and boom, you're gonna create a agent in 2 seconds, and you're gonna show the demo, and they're gonna talk to that agent online. Like all they need to do is publish and talk to the assistant, and it will talk. Simple as that. Well, this is my first tutorial in this YouTube channel, and I will be uploading more. Yeah, this is a sauce. Like.
Hello, welcome to Sithra Real Estate Office in Mayapur.
Cool.
How may I assist you today?
Right? Hey, I don't know.
Great.
I don't know what house I need to buy. Please guide me.
No worries. Deciding on a house can be a big decision. Of course, I'd be happy to help you figure that out. To assist you better, could you please answer a few quick questions?
Cool, right? And the best part, this is gonna work in our phone. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do more tutorials. And yeah, keep supporting, subscribe. And yeah, for the prompts, which I have copy pasted, I'm gonna check the description below. You're gonna have all the details, but I'm not gonna give you the JSON file for that NATM workflow. You do it for yourself. I'm not gonna help you. Yeah. Peace. God bless. Stay automated.